Right, we're going to get Tom to basically clean his car.
All good, lads?
Yeah, he does it.
Hi, Tom. How are we doing? All good, very well.
So how are we doing, mate?
All okay?
All good? Yes, perfect. Look, all Diamondbrited up, we're ready.
Diamondbrited up, I like this.
We're ready, BTCC finale. Yeah. We're going to do a little bit of promoting of Diamondbrite, if that's all good.
Yeah, fine, let's do it.
Perfect, excellent. Okay, got a little bit of a script for you. You've got some products.
Excellent, yeah.
Yeah, but you're a professional. Yeah, you're going to be able to do this, no problem.
Not a problem at all.
All right, perfect. So, you crack on with that. We're going to look down the lens and you're going to promote. Me and Lance are going to step over there. We good? We'll leave it to him, shall we?
Fantastic.
Yeah, cool. Come in.
Perfect. Express Wash and Wax. Wash your car with no water and no scratches. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
But
cool.
if you can...
Oh, you want me to...
Oh, yeah.
Back on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Get your hands dirty.
Wash and wax.
Yeah, give it a spray and... Because it's best for him to wash his car with the stuff. I mean, he's got to drive it at the end of the day.
Absolutely.
Yeah? Yeah, go on, Tom. You do a good job, mate. Perfect, this is.
Wash and wax. The Graphene Pro Detailer. The detailing wax to give your car that extra go fast shine.
I think he's getting. I'll have to give him. Yeah. Go on. Yeah. Down by the Diamondbrite. Yeah.
Keep it working.
Cheers, mate. Give it a little. Just over the Diamondbrite and give us a big smile into the camera for me.
A few seconds off your lap time.
Now wipe it at the same time and smile. That's it. There we go. That's the one. That's the money shot, isn't it? That's the money shot. That's the money shot. Perfect.
Oh, what a smile.
Cut!
Are you going to make me do this for them all? You are, aren't you?
Well.
Yeah, you are.
Well.
Okay.
Action.
Tar away. Spray it on and remove all of that tar that you pick up from the racetrack. And I assume you're going to want me out.
Yeah.
I know the score
you've got
here,
it,
mate.
You've got it.
Clean your car.
He knows.
Ah, yeah.
So tar away. So this is good for the picking up all that sort of stuff in the
I've worked
racetrack.
it out now.
Makes the car go
The
away.
whole car. The whole car is
Who's
going to be
the
done in a
time?
minute. I don't know what is going on here. This is... I swear we normally have people for this, but...
Well done, mate. Great stuff. If you just give a smile to the camera whilst you're wiping. There we go. That's all right. He's getting it. He's getting it, isn't he?
He's getting there slowly.
You do really well, mate. Really good. He's doing well. He's good. Okay, Tom, you've got this. Replenish. Yeah, replenish.
Thanks, Zach.
Replenish.
Replenish. Give your tyres the extra shiny look. Just spray on and wipe off. I do need to use it. I don't want them to be too shiny though, because we need to use these. We've got a championship to win.
Well, let's give them a bit of a spray. Can't replenish them. Replenish.
Yeah. What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
Wiping off the excess.
Replenish.
Yep. That's it. Give it a wipe.
That's given my tyres the extra shine.
That's it. Just hold the smile. Hold it. Hold it a bit longer. Bit longer. Bit longer. Good. You've nearly done the whole car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funny that.
Yeah.
Ultra glass. Now, as a racing driver, it's kind of important to see where you need to go. Ultra glass. Spray it on, and it leaves a smear-free, crystal clear finish.
That's it. That's it.
Look at that.
Like that.
Natural.
That's it. Beautiful. Give it a little wipe.
It's done that before.
Very good. Very good. That. Very good. This could be a thing next year. I'm thinking he cleans his car every round before the
We might
before
invite
the
him back.
yeah. I think so. I think so. I haven't told him he's got to do the other 3 cars. No. Ultra glass. If you can just go down by the Diamondbrite logo and reach up to the windows. There we go. That's it.
Ultra glass.
And wipe and smile.
A bit of a torch this, please.
There we go.
Suits a little. It's the end of the
That's it.
season.
Wipe, smile, and say ultra glass.
Ultra glass.
Yeah. And say Diamondbrite.
Diamondbrite.
That's
Suit's a bit tight, Zach.
Yeah.
The suit is a little bit tight for this. It's the end of the year.
Yeah. Keep going.
Ultra glass by Diamondbrite.
Perfect.
Smear-free, crystal clear finish.
And cut.
Cut.
Perfect.
Oh. Diamondbrite, proud sponsors of Team Virtue.
Well done, mate. Well done, mate. Well done.
Thanks.
Put it there. Well
Thanks,
done.
mate.
Well
Thanks.
done.
Thanks
well
very
done.
much. Thanks.
Perfect. You've done a good job there.
Thank you very much.
good,
Perfect.
good.
Right. Thanks so much, guys. I'll
Got a bit of time free.
Chilton's been on. If you can just do his car.
Yeah.
Lance,
Okay, yeah.
grab a cup of tea.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Come
Crack
on.
it. You got enough rags? You got enough rags?
I think closes in a minute.
Yeah, yeah. Come on,
Yes,
come on,
so.
let's go.
All right.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.